Guys, it's been a long time being a user of Excitel, and my experience with Excitel is not good, and I would never recommend this ISP to anyone. Please do find any other ISP in your area because their services are so pathetic. Because just few months back I have requested for uninstallation and submitted the device, and as per their policy within 60 days they have to process the refund. So I have not received the link to fill up the form. Thereafter they can proceed with the refund, but still they have not provided any link, and they keep on giving the same excuse that you have to wait for 60 days, and 60 days will be completed in next 4 days. Now just think of this broadband provider, this ISP, what they are doing. Their policies are quite uncertain. When I'm writing anything on social media, they keep on replying the same thing on social media, they keep on replying the same thing on email, and they are responding the same thing over the call. So what is the difference? And I don't get the reason of getting this Excitel connection when they just cannot hear the problem, they just don't want to discuss anything, and they just want to add new customer. Just read their tagline. They just compare themselves with Flash. Flash is entertaining, and they are quite sluggish. I have used it. They are not giving the speed as they are claiming. See, it's a long time, and when compared to other broadband providers, they only give time for 15 days or max to max 1 month. Why the time for 60 days is given by them? What is that policy? I don't understand. Still they are giving same excuses. इनकी तरफ से कोई जवाब नहीं मिलेगा आपको. आप जितनी बार भी इनको लिखोगे, जितनी बार भी इनको कॉल करोगे, एक ही तरीके का जवाब देंगे आपको कि आपको 60 डेज़ के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा. मैं सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि किस तरीके की बेहूदी पॉलिसी बनाई है आपने कि कस्टमर आपका जो ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन है वो दोबारा इंस्टॉल ही नहीं करा सकता. आई हैव सीन अदर ISP ऑल्सो, and based on their goodwill they have refunded the money within 15 days itself. What is wrong with Excitel? Now when 60 days are about to complete, I don't have any clue when I will receive the link. They keep on giving false promise. How can you get internet connection from such an ISP who keep on giving false promises? बहुत ही घटिया सर्विस है. मैं आप सबसे निवेदन करूँगा, आप कोई और ब्रॉडबैंड यूज़ कर ले, ना हो तो आप अपना मोबाइल का इंटरनेट चला लें, बट प्लीज़ स्टे अवे फ्रॉम Excitel. देयर पॉलिसीज़ आर क्वाइट अनक्लियर. They are not giving anything in return, and I really regret that why I have returned their device. It could have been better that if I have bricked the device myself, or if I have sold it to anyone, if I use it for my own purpose. But I have submitted the device because of my security money of 2000 that they have retained, and this act of them is really fraudulent, and they are not accepting anything from their end. They keep on giving the same response, and let me tell you that this ISP is not at all trustworthy. They have given a lot of time to their advertisement, but they are nowhere to the leading ISPs. Okay, so now my money has been stuck with them. I don't know when they are going to refund it because they have not provided any link. A clear no to this Excitel. सबसे घटिया सर्विस है. मैं गाली नहीं देना चाहता हूँ, फिर भी बहन के लौड़े एक्साइटल वाले बहुत बड़े मादर चोद हैं ये, बेटी चोद, ये आपके पैसे खा जाएंगे। प्लीज़ इनका जो एक्साइटल का कनेक्शन है आप लोग ना करें। And I have mentioned in my chats also that I am just going to take legal action, and see, even after that they have not provided any link. They keep on giving the same response that you have to wait by 23rd of August, by then you will receive the link. What is wrong with Excitel? I don't know what kind of services they are giving. इतना लंबा टाइम यूज़ करने के बाद भी शर्म नहीं आ रही इन लोगों को।